Successful instructors often structure their pricing to make it easy for people to start and even easier to keep coming back. A common approach is offering both single sessions and bundled packages. A drop-in class gives people a low-pressure way to try something new, while a multi-class pack may encourage stronger commitment from returning students. Many instructors also frame their offerings as structured programs. For example, a 4-week or 8-week program helps participants understand the full experience instead of deciding week by week whether to attend. Monthly memberships, subscriptions, or recurring access to classes provide stable revenue for the business while helping participants build regular habits. For specialty workshops or events with limited spots, deposits can help reserve space and reduce no-shows. Clear payment and cancellation policies make it easier to plan ahead and ensure committed participation. For example, an educator or coach might require a deposit and list cancellation terms on their booking page. Many studios also offer both group classes and one-on-one sessions. Group options create an accessible entry point, while private instruction provides a more personalized experience for those looking for deeper support. And lastly, several businesses also use promotions or class pack discounts to encourage people to commit to multiple sessions at once. This approach helps to guarantee predictable revenue and locks in a full roster, allowing you to focus on service quality without as much new lead generation. When pricing is structured clearly, people can quickly understand their options and feel confident signing up. Your work, your world, powered by Squarespace.